Hey everybody, and welcome to Monday, October 11th. For today, we are starting a new story this week, so we'll get into that in a moment. Classwork, 30-day writing challenge. Today is day 29. I'll go over the prompt in a moment. We're doing some vocab since we're starting a new story. We're working on making inferences, and we're doing some King of Maisie May vocab predictions, okay? Today is odds. We have some new stamp keepers and everything. Homework, as always, going to be vocab, making inferences, and our vocab predictions that'll be due on Sunday. Alright, let's get into it, chicos. So for today, our 30-day writing challenge is day 29. A time I felt joy was blank. You guys are going to write for 10 minutes and tell me about a time when you felt joy. Then you are working on vocabulary, making inferences. Before I started you guys working on inferences, we watched this video about inferencing, about how we can infer what characters are thinking, what they're going to do. It just helps connect what we've already learned about inferences and work with it a little bit more, okay? Then you will finish some modules that have been assigned to you. I will show you right now on Google Classroom how to get there. So you're going to go under Semester 1, Vocabulary. We finished context clues last week, so this week it's making inferences. You're going to sign in, and it'll take you straight to the vocab page for context, for making inferences. You might notice that we've already seen this video. You might be like, Ms. Ornelas, that's familiar. Right on, we've seen this video before, but we only discussed it. Now for this time, you guys are going to be doing the vocab cards, the vocab game, and the read and the respond. Okay, so we'll be doing the rest of it through there. Alright, so that's what we'll be doing for vocab after we watch the video and kind of refresh our memory on inferences. Then for the rest of class, you will be creating your vocabulary predictions for the King of Maisie May and using these 5 words and 5 complete sentences. So it's just some sentence practice, okay? The words this time are going to be capsize, flounder, hummock, pursuer, and traces. Let me show you as well on Google Classroom how to access that. You're going to go down to Semester 1, Study Sync, Unit 1 in Pursuit. You're going to go to the King of Maisie May vocabulary predictions, okay? Capsize is right here. I think capsize means whatever you think it means. I can say, for example, I think capsize means something, something small. Okay? Capsize actually means to tip over. So, since I got that wrong, I'm going to drag this X over here and put capsize was wrong. I'm going to continue on with flounder, hummock, pursuer, and traces. Down here, I'm going to create my full and complete sentences. So, we're going to use the true meaning of capsize. So, the ship capsized in the ocean. Okay, so the ship turned over in the ocean. That's a full and complete sentence, okay? So you're going to do that for all 5. Make sure that you are dragging over the terms. Right. So that is what we worked on today in class. Pretty easy day. Our exit ticket is, what is the formula to create an inference? It is, if you remember, it is background knowledge plus context clues equal our inferences. Alright. Alright, chicos. So that is what we did today, Monday, October 11th. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. Send me an email, and I'll get back to you for that. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.